This is the login page of the Fotizo Autobooks app. When you purchase this app, you'll be provided with a serial key. Input your key and click on Unlock the app, and you'll get access to the app.
Now, when you log into the app, this is the user interface you'll see. To start creating your books, you'll need your book title and subtitle. Fill in your book title and subtitle into their respective boxes. If you do not have a subtitle yet, you can use the Generate button by the subtitle box, and the app will provide you with 5 subtitles. These subtitles are highly hypnotic. They are created using advanced specialized scripts provided by Tony Fotizo. As you may know, Tony is an 8-figure copywriter. There are no other apps out there where you can get such hypnotic subtitles. Why are subtitles critical to the success of your books? I'll tell you. Your book title should be designed to grab the attention of your target audience. That's the job of the book title. However, the job of the subtitle is to sell your book. This is why you can't just stamp an average subtitle on your book. If you do, then your book is bound to fail. And this is why the subtitle writing function of this app is essential. Anyway, if you generate a set of subtitles and you don't like any of them, you can click Generate a second time and you'll get another set of subtitles. Lastly, if you pick a subtitle that has a colon in it, change that colon to a comma. This is because most book publishing platforms won't allow a colon in the metadata of your uploaded book.
Now, the first 3 things I do when I want to generate a book are 1. I fill in my book title. 2. I fill in my subtitle or generate one. And 3. I'll fill in my author's name. Then, 4. I'll generate my book cover. Now, if you scroll to the bottom of this app, you'll find the book cover designer. In this app, there are 2 ways to generate book covers: the classic way or the advanced way. With the classic way, you will upload a frame that you will receive when you purchase this app. After you upload the frame, click on the pink button that says Generate 4 covers, and the app will generate 4 covers for you. I have been publishing books for nearly 2 decades, and I can tell you for free that the covers this app generates are top-notch. In fact, there is no other book creation app that generates this type of premium book cover. And guess what? If you don't like any of the 4 covers generated, scroll down to the book cover designer and generate another set of 4 book covers. When you find the one you like, right-click and save it.
What I just showed you is the classic method for generating a book cover. Now, let me tell you about the advanced method. The advanced method is when you go and find any book cover you love. Then you upload that book cover to the app, and the app will design a book cover for you that resembles the one you uploaded. What this means is that you can grab a $3,000 book cover design that was made by a world-class book cover designer, and this app will draw inspiration from it and present you with a book cover on the same level as the one you provided. This is a feature that no other book creation tool has. Want to know why? Tony did everything possible to add this functionality to this app. It's because a book is judged by its cover. After your book title and subtitle, your book cover is the most important element of your book. These three, if done right, will turn your book into a bestseller.
Can you see the masterpieces of book covers the app generated? These are extremely beautiful and exotic. Top-class stuff. With this app, you can be rest assured that your book covers will steal eyeballs effortlessly. And like they say, money flow in the direction of attention.
Here is the book cover I uploaded to the app for inspiration. Now that I am done with my book cover design, I'll scroll back up to generate my book. To generate my book, I need the following: synopsis, style and tone, and an outline. In the synopsis box is where I'll tell the app about the type of book I want to create. In this box, I can tell the app things about myself that will make the book unique to me. Since I am writing a book about baking bread for people with high blood pressure, I can add a personal story. I can also tell the app to write the book for a Brazilian audience. I can tell it to localize the book so my Brazilian audience can relate to the book easily. I can literally customize the book so it sounds like something I wrote myself. After the synopsis box, you will find a spot where you can choose how many chapters the book should have, how many words each chapter should have, and how many subchapters each chapter should have. After you customize your chapters, it's time to define style and tone. In the Style and Tone box, that is where you tell the app how you want the book delivered. You can say it should sound like a bar discussion. You can tell it to be funny. You can tell it to be academic. You can tell it to be inspirational. In fact, you can tell it to be anything. You have full control. Your style and tone is how you further personalize your book. After we have gotten the synopsis, style and tone, and the chapter count out of the way, we then move to the fourth most critical part of any book, and that is the outline. In this app, you can provide your own outline. Most apps of this kind don't allow you to provide your own outline, but the Fotizo Autobooks app allows you to bring your own outline. You can paste your outline in the outline box and click the blue button that says Use My Outline. Just make sure your outline follows the indentation format as shown in the outline box. But if you do not have an outline, you can click on the green button that says Generate Outline with AI.
And the app will provide you with an outline that will help you sell your book. Yes, you heard that right. Your outline can help you sell your books. As you may know, on most publishing platforms, your would-be buyer is allowed to peek inside your book, and your outline is one of those pages that they will be shown. Now, if your outline is written with the Fotizo framework, it is almost impossible for the eyes that see it not to pull out their wallet and buy the book. Let's cut to the chase. When you buy this app, you're not just buying an app that can write books. Rather, you are renting Tony Fotizo's brain. You're taking advantage of his strategies and trade secrets that have helped him make millions upon millions publishing books since 2008. The outline you'll get from this app will help you sell books. And as if that is not enough, after generating your outline, there's one more thing you can do. You can use the A+ outline functionality. I beg you, use this functionality sparingly because it is too hypnotic. This is pure hypnosis. Once again, here is one of those things that sets this app apart from the rest. It was designed by a master copywriter and renowned hypnotist. When you use the A+ outline functionality, you're literally hijacking people's minds. Once they read the outline, it's over. They're pulling out their wallet. Now, when you have generated your outline, click on the green button that says Start Writing Document, and the app will proceed to write your book. You can scroll up to see how the book is coming along. When it finishes writing the book, you can copy and save it in a Google Doc. Then lastly, scroll back down to click on Book Listing Copy. And the app will provide you with a persuasive copy that you will use to sell your book. This is not just any copy. Rather, it is a copy that converts. It's using one of Tony Fotizo's high-converting frameworks. Along with the copy, you'll also get 7 back-end keyword suggestions for the listing of your book and 3 category suggestions for your book. And did I mention that the book you'll get reads like it was written by a human? No one can tell an AI wrote it. This is because the app was programmed to mirror how Tony Fotizo writes.
As of today, the 27th day of November in the year 2025, you can get a no-limit, no-monthly subscription license to use the Fotizo Autobooks app. If you are in Nigeria, you can grab one of these licenses for only 100,000 naira. If you are outside Nigeria, you can grab yours for only $80. Only 100 of such licenses are available. After they are gone, we will go back to a credit and subscription-based system. If you are in Nigeria, use this account details to get your license. If you are outside Nigeria, make use of the link below to get your license. You are welcome.